The next if statement that we go into is called a nested if statement. These get to where it really takes some thought into writing the programming, because it takes some thought into actually, understanding what's going on inside these nested loops. We'll be using lots of nested loops. This is just the first one. It's called a nested if statement. So this program is pretty straightforward. It's an AARP rewards program. If you're over the age 50 and you have good credits designated by 700 or over, you get a discount. All right. Program starts out pretty simple. All right. It just prompts the user for their age and their credit rating. Two things, age and credit rating. Right. Here's the meat of the program right here. A nested if statement. If the user's age is over 50, you do everything inside the brackets. If they're not over 50, you skip over this because this is an if-else statement on the outside. If they're over 50, you do everything inside here. If they're not, you go straight down to the else, which is, sorry, you're too young to qualify for a discount. All right, let's just say that the users, we're going to use the user is 59 years old and got a 705 score. So let's just talk about this for a second. All right, 59 years old. If age is greater than 50. So yes, the statement's true. So what goes on between these two brackets? Okay, because this is a true statement, everything's going to happen here. But inside here, we've got another if statement. It's nested inside here. That's why it's called nested if. So now it's going to ask a question. So this person is 59 years old. If the credit rating is greater than 700, we've already said that it's 705. So this statement is true. Then we do this line right here. Congratulations, you qualify for a discount. Had this not been true, say the credit rating had been 695, you would have skipped this congratulations statement and went straight to the else. Okay, this would have been false. You would have went to else. Sorry, your credit score is too low. So it's like two levels. The first level is it's just going to go ahead and rule out the people that aren't 50 years old. That's the outer if statement. The inner if statement is going to work with the credit score. All right, let's run this and see. Check it out. Enter your age. Let's say this person's 49 years old and has an 800 score. We hit enter. Sorry, you are too young to qualify for a discount. So on this one, if age is greater than or equal to 50, that's false. It skips everything here in the brackets and goes down to the else and sees out, sorry, you're too young to qualify for a discount. Let's run another one. Enter your age. This person is 64. And the credit rating is only 680. Hit enter. Sorry, your credit score is too low. All right, nested if statements is a very powerful tool inside of to use in C++, and it's just two sets of conditions have to be met. There's the outer if, and then there's the inner if statement. Guys, you can nest these as deep as you can follow the logic. You can go 10 if statements in. I mean, I've went pretty far in, but not anything like 10, but I mean, I've went 3 and 4 if statements in, and it gives you all kinds of possibilities when you're writing code. So just to recap again, if the first condition is met, you go inside the loop and do all of this. If the first condition is not met, if it's false, you just bypass everything here and go straight to the else. If you have an else, you don't have to always put else's. Okay, and go down here and do the C out else. Play with this a little bit. I can guarantee you that there's going to be programs using nested if statements.